Welcome to AutoCAD 2008. In this tutorial we'll be going over the move command and the rotate command. Now I'm just gonna click on the move icon, or you can type it in the command bar below, or you can select the modify menu and select it that way. But for this tutorial we're just going to use the move icon. So we click, and I'm going to select this object, and I'm going to click my third mouse button, or you can hit enter, and it's asking to select a base point. So we can select the midpoint, or we can select an end point. So I'm just going to select here on the midpoint, and we're going to move it out to here, and I'll click, or you can hit enter, and then I'm going to select this piece right there. So we're going to click and move. Again, you can click on the icon or type in the move command on the command bar. Or another way you could use your move command is if you right click on the mouse and you can click repeat the last thing you did, which is move, or recent input, and it has a couple things here. The last couple things we've done is move or rotate or undo, so you can do it that way. So we're just going to click move. We're going to select our object. We're going to right click, and if I zoom in, it's going to ask us to select a base point, midpoint, or an end point. So with the O snaps on, I'm going to select this end point, and we're going to connect it to this end point. It's very helpful to have the O snaps on while doing this. Makes the pieces easier to move around. And there we go. And now, if we wanted to rotate this, we can once again go up here, click on the rotate command, or we can enter it in our command bar at the bottom, or we can select it from the modify menu, or if you right click on the mouse, we can go to recent inputs, move, rotate. So we're just going to select the icon, rotate. Now I'm just going to click and highlight this whole thing because I want to rotate this whole thing. And we're going to right click, and it's asking for a base point. So we're just going to use our midpoint. So I'm going to click, and you can rotate it any way you'd like. So I'm just going to rotate it like that, and click. And that concludes our tutorial for rotate and move commands in AutoCAD 2008.